everybody! Fantastic, fantastic. A chinna game aadam before I start. Just I want to observe the people how what is going on. Okay. Just children, be careful. Okay. Just watch it. What's going on? Indulo eltunda? Can you tell me indulo? Just remove the cap. So how many people in the brain they have a cap closed or open? Open. Excellent, fantastic. So make sure. What a fantastic knowledge given by you. Give a clap to these wonderful leaders. You know, he reminded me in 1982. That's what I got at goals and the time management. Wow. The name of the local which you awakened me. My 80s days. That was a fantastic. You know what you people taught. Goals and time management is so important in life. I'm not going to train you today. Honestly, I would like to give my little bit my introduction and my life experience. I have gone through, which is 30 plus years of my experience. You have a lot of failures and success. Everything I have. It's a mix of everything. So very interesting. That's what I would like to share. I'm not going to train people like goals and time. They're already done a fantastic, phenomenal job on that. Before that, let me tell you one joke so we can start with a smile. Okay? There was a very rich king. He was one of the richest king in the world. He had a very beautiful daughter. So he was looking for a good boy, but his desire, his king's desire, make sure he used to be very healthy, very strong personality, like a wrestler, and very courageous man. So what he did, he invited everybody from all over the world, all the major kings and everybody. So they came to the kingdom, and there was a party first day, and the king said, you know, there will be a competition, and whoever win that competition, not only I'll give my daughter, and I'll give you 50% of my entire wealth, including my kingdom. So everybody was excited. So everybody had a fantastic fun, and next day they came. The sport starts at 11 o'clock, and everybody invited to the particular sports ground. And there was a small lake around probably 1,000 meters and 20 feet wide. And that lake is full of hunger crocodiles from 1 month, no food for them. And the only thing what king said, nothing you don't need to do. All you have to do is swim from here to the corner. That's it. That's it, nothing else. But you will get half of my help. Well, nobody was willing to do. Nobody, imagine. Then all of a sudden, very skinny guy, probably 5 feet, and probably weigh around 40, 50, 60 kgs. All of a sudden, he jumped into the lake, and he crossed the lake within them, just like the boom, 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 boom. Everybody was shocked. Everybody was shocked. And the king said, man, who's this boy? Can you please call him to the stage? And also he came, and the king said, hey, how come you do this? Tell me what is the secret? And how did you do this? He said, I'm not only 50%, I'm going to give you 70%. But he said, you know, first of all, I don't want your wealth and your daughter. Tell me, first of all, find out who pushed me in the lake. So, exactly it happened in my life. Circumstances and all, they pushed me. I born in 1955 in the Gandhi Hospital in Hyderabad. Why I'm telling this story is pretty much related to my life. When I was probably 8 or 9 years, I lost my father. That is the time Mahabharata started in my life. And it's there in T.T. Ramayana, I don't know, whatever you call it. But what happened? you know, as excellently he said about parents, you have to give your time. Know the value of mother and father. So what happens when you lose the father? It's gone everything. If anybody has a good brother, a blessed brother, you are lucky. Maybe a Purva Janma Sakrutama Mata Telugu, I'm not good at Telugu. Forgive me for that, you know. So I had a tough time. But today I realized I blessed my brother. Because of their deed, I went out of the country, otherwise I would have not come. So I had a dream, I had a burning desire. Now I have to become something. The situation came in life, there are only two things. Either I have to suicide because of the turbulent situation with the health, financial, everything, or I have to get out from the country. And you know, think about what he did. He left the country in 79. I was landed in Dubai and did a fantastic. And then tremendous growth happened. So that's what they say, that every adversity has an equal or more seer of an opportunity. Then afterwards, of course, I blessed a wonderful wife. Not only she's my wife, she's a good friend, a wonderful life partner, a great entrepreneurial partner, and she's like a backbone in my family. And blessed with a wonderful 3 boys. They are 25, Sunil Kumar, 23, Arvind Kumar, 22, Ashwin Kumar. My elder son is like Einstein. Go to the room, he won't come out. Just study, 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 study. But with a good personality. Number 2, Arvind Kumar is a time management, discipline. Mom, I'm going to 12 o'clock health club, but 12:45 I'll come for a lunch. Make sure my food is ready. That's what he is about. My younger kid, he's a law of attraction. I don't care. When I come, my food will be ready. He believes in a lot of nature. So every 3 has good qualities. And during the process, my kids were growing, and whatever I learned in my life, I started teaching them. I want to make my kids as an example and role models, not for our lives, for the society, for the people around me. You know, I don't want what I've gone through, I don't want anybody to go through. And by looking at you people, I never know in our Vaishya community you have such a quality and class and great people. Give a clap to everybody. You know, we are the Jew community, you know, United States, the controlled by 3% of Jews, the whole world economy. You know, we are Jews of India. And you know, what a quality, you know, when I was giving a speech in Warangal, I asked them how many employees are there and how many business people are there. For employee, nobody left their hand. I said, wow. See, what is strength? Now, have you seen any Vaishya as a beggar? That is the beauty. That means we are all already winners. All we have to do, just a little bit, upgrade ourselves, uplift ourselves. You have to learn a little bit knowledge on that and make sure to take to the next level. And once you do that, nothing is impossible. Like every day, we have 62,000 thoughts a day. It's an average, it's a scientifically proven. Every human, it's a 3 pounds of the 2.9 pounds something brain. Every human has the same size. And 62,000 thoughts a day. So how the 62,000 thoughts a day you are going to do it? Are they positive? Are they negative? Are they based? Are they elevated? And how we are doing on that? And everything you do, because how many people believe we are part of nature? Almost everybody, is it right? So because we are part of nature, because our body has 72% of water, same as the globe has a 70% of water. So we are, everything is related. Everything is an energy. How this cell phone works? From America, from Australia, from New Zealand, I have every 2 minutes one message. How? It's an energy which is found by Thomas Edison or Bell, everybody were found out. So when you become a part of nature, nothing will stop it. So you have to focus in exactly what do you want to do in life. Not only the goals and time management, those are very, very, very important, but at the end of the day, thoughts. Sankalpam, I don't know, Telugu, I learned the word last week in fact. Sankalpam, the thoughts. The thoughts is so power in it. When not only the thoughts, the second stage, the emotion. Let me give an example, okay. When I engaged to my wife, okay, after 4 months I married. I used to fly minimum 4 times in a month. Because of the emotion. Not only thoughts, hey, I want to meet my future wife. I want to take her to some trip. I want to take her some gifts. You know, you see that emotion involved. So make sure not only just thought, the emotion has to, if you want to achieve, hey, you have to have an emotion. I want to be a successful person. I want to be a billionaire or a millionaire. You have to do that. So then what happens? That energy goes to the universe and then that will come back to you. So then when it comes back to you, then what happened? You do the action. Everything is related. Everything is related. It has to be related. There is no other way. It took me 30 years to learn this knowledge. After reading 100, sometimes we used to go seminars as a cruise trip, $20,000. Imagine, just $20,000 we pay the money. And what these people are giving is free. Man, hats off to you. Thank you very much. What is knowledge? Where you get this knowledge? So this is what we are like. They say that if you want to be in the classes, you have to serve the masses. If you want to serve the masses, you will be in classes. But if you serve the classes, you will be in masses. మీరు masses లో ఉండాలా, classes లో ఉండాలా? అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇండియాలో కూడా అమెరికా ఎక్కడైనా సేమ్ అండి, ఏమీ డిఫరెన్స్ లేదు. The 80-20 rule, parity rule, that is become old anymore. It's become a 90-10. Gradually it's becoming 95-5. That rule is gone in 1970s. No more it's valid. That one. So మీరు ఆ 10% లో ఉండాలంటే ఆ 10% లో మీరు ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్నారు. మీరు all you do that little bit to adjustments. ఆలోచన మీకు వచ్చిందనుకో, that's it. And you can become unstoppable. Anywhere, whatever you want in your life. ఏది చేయాలని ఈరోజు మీరు వచ్చారు, ఎంత కాన్సన్ట్రేట్గా వింటున్నారో, ఇంత చేస్తున్నారో, దట్ ఈస్ ఫెంటాస్టిక్. దీన్ని కాకుండా దీన్ని మళ్ళీ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి. when you go back home, make sure you have to implement it. మీరు ఆలోచించండి, every 1 hour, as I rightly said in the time management, every 1 hour give a break of 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Hey, how my 1 hour went? And especially focus on the thoughts. How is my thoughts? Are thoughts my good? Whether I'm thinking what I want in my life or I'm thinking my past. And everybody knows that past is the history, tomorrow is the mystery, and today is the gift. So you have to focus on that. నేను చేస్తున్నాను డెలిబరేట్. I will tell you some miracle things happen on my thoughts. I can control. ఇవాళ మార్నింగ్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాను I'm controlling. Even I'm sitting there, I'm listening to him, still I'm controlling my thoughts. Hey, what is telling me? What am I supposed to do for our community? How can I lift my community? How can I take this strong Arya Vaishya community, one of the finest people on the planet? What I learned in my life, 30 plus years, how can I empower you people, give away my knowledge, give away my strength, whatever I have, and uplift people. So automatically what happened when what I'm doing, I'm sending a vibration. And what happened, universe will automatically bless me. And another very important thing, always be with the like-minded. That's always they say that, it's written in every book. Show me your 5 friends, plus 1 you. Calculate how much money they make, divided by 6, that is your income. I challenge you that it happened with me too. It doesn't mean that you hate other friends. No. You love everybody. But you choose the like-minded people. the like-minded people will make sure at least 70 to 80% our thought process should match. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఇందులోకి మనం అందరం వచ్చామంటే అందరి మనసులో 80% ఇది ఉండాలా. How can I lift our community? How can I empower the people? How can I help somebody? Create a group. నాది ఒక ఎంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్షిప్ ఉంది, అతనిది ఒక ఎంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్షిప్ ఉంది, అతనిది ఒక ఎంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్షిప్ ఉంది. బట్ యు సీ ద గ్రూమ్ ద పీపుల్. ఇప్పుడు మా అమెరికాలో కంట్రీ క్లబ్ ఉంది. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ కంట్రీ క్లబ్ మెంబర్షిప్ ఇస్ $1 million. 6 కోట్లు మా కంట్రీ క్లబ్ లో మెంబర్షిప్ 6 కోట్లు. కానీ దట్ 1 million is nothing. You know why? When you go there and become a member there, to make 100 crores is not at all absolutely easy. You know why? You meet that like-minded people. They sit down, have a cup of coffee or whatever it is, and they make a deal. That's what all the super success people will do. And we have to have that kind of a thoughts in our mind. We are super successful people. We have to think, you have to believe, you have to send that emotions. మా అమ్మ ఇప్పుడు చిన్నప్పుడు అనేది ఏదనుకున్నా తదాస్తు అంటారంట దేవతలు. నేను చస్తున్నాను రా, నా నేబర్